Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox not loading properly. Alright, let's begin. First, go to your computer's search bar and type run. Open the Run app and type in %local app data %, then press enter. In the folder that appears, press the letter R to quickly find the Roblox folder. Once located, right-click on it and delete it. Next, go back to the search bar and type Roblox again. Right-click on Roblox Player and select Open File Location. In the folder that opens, right-click on the Roblox shortcut again, select Show More Options, and choose Open File Location one more time. Now, locate the file called Roblox Player Beta, right-click on it, and go to Properties. In the Properties window, click the Compatibility tab. Enable these three options. Run this program in compatibility mode for, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. After checking these, click Apply and then OK. If Roblox still doesn't load properly after these steps, try using a VPN. Some connection issues are caused by network restrictions or regional server problems. Download a reliable VPN, connect to a different server location, and try launching Roblox again. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox not loading properly. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.